Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss about the best keyword research tool that you can easily use without any technical knowledge. As we know, Google AdWords, Google Keywords Planner, these are different tools that are developed by Google team. Now there is another tool that is very useful nowadays, Google Trends. You can go and open this website. After that, here you can type anything, and on the top here you can see trending now. Here you can see these are the different keywords, and this one is the search volume, and this one is the report started last 12 hours ago, and this one is the trend breakdown. After that, here you can apply different filters. So by default this one is selected Pakistan. For example, let me select United States. You can also select different states in United States as well as different cities. Okay, here you can see now keywords are changed. So these are the trending keywords that people are searching. You can start creating content by using these type of keywords, and also you can select the time. For example, past 48 hours, 24 hours and 7 days. Here you can select the category, then select the trends. Okay, now if I go back, and here we can add any type of keyword. For example, let me type AI video generator, then press enter. Now if I scroll down, here you can see this one is the graph about this keyword, and after that we can apply different filters. For example, let me select this one, past 3 months. So you can check the report. Okay, this one is the web search, image search, news search as well as YouTube search. In this way you can easily check for any keyword. For example, if I change the keyword at laptop, now let me scroll down. So these are the different keywords that people are searching about laptop, and these are the queries. So if you have a blog website and you are creating blog website content, then these are very useful for you. But if you have a different business, like you are selling laptop, then these keywords are recommended for you. You can check the report for each keyword. Simply you can click here this button and then scroll down. So this one is the overall report for this keyword. Now if I select this one, past year, after that you can easily export this all the report in CSV file.